Alti,
Hello.
on Zoom, are you Alti A?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, great. Ah, there you are.
Thank
I
you.
saw you waving. Great. All right. So, Doc, do we need any more people?
See, I would like to know who are healers, who have done what kind of healing.
Okay.
Anyway, let me hear Aditi's issue. Then I will call my own team here.
Okay. All right. So I'm just going to mute myself and I'm going to hand over to you.
Um, so I need to share my issue right here, what
Right.
I was thinking and experience. So the issue is that, and in fact, I've got the FC done for it also, and I don't feel clear about the issue, but there's definitely lack of connection happening,
With
and
whom?
with parents, and lack of connection is not. I mean, it's not from my side. I have been trying to heal it since almost more, it's been more than 4 years, and it was detected when I had a depression and suicidal thoughts 4 years back, when my career was going fine, everything going fine, but not knowing what to do. And now when I lost the job and everything, they are like, you are not doing anything, you are not doing anything, everything being blamed, or that sort of a very violence filled environment in home. And when I say them, these are the seeds that you planted. Now when you tell me that, that no, we are the old people and everything, like you need to be considerate, I was like, were you considerate when there were children? Because I know for sure, and a lot of time the thoughts come of a lot of violence that I have experienced in my childhood, the trauma, more so from my mother. But it's almost same. I mean, my father was not there, he was gone away on his job, and now my mother wants to go away. Now when the children have grown up, there's a lot of avoidance sort of happening. I'm
Mhm.
not understanding. And on one side, I feel that I'm trying to control. I don't want to, but there's just nothing. Like there's just nothing, and everybody is like, and I mean, even after 4 years of healing, me just trying and failing at it. I mean, definitely when I don't know and it's not resolved, even after 4 years of trying everything, they're like, everyone in my home is like, I have a younger sister, that when three people are pointing out to you, the wrong must be in you. And I'm like, no, I've studied so much, why are you not understanding? And everything that, where am I coming from, where the seeds are coming from?
Okay. One more thing. Do you have a job?
Not from some time,
So
not from
shall we
some time.
first work on your job?
uh, I mean, the emotional turmoil, when it sorts out, I feel that it will, but
Because the
I'll go
issue
for.
is your job, and the emotional turmoil will be coming with the parents will come automatically.
Oh, okay, yeah, fine, fine then.
So it's connected. Again, I'm saying it's all is connected. So when I work on the job, automatically parents will get resolved. Of course, we would require to do sessions with the parents, or if you want to work with your parents, I can introduce a person for playing you, one person to role play the father and the mother. Then you see what the shift happens in your life. Okay. Now, I just would like to know how many people can volunteer for this role playing. Aditi, you are going to be out of it because you are the client. How many people can, and I would like if people have participated before in the constellation.
Okay. I'll request people who have been in family constellation sessions before, do share your name, saying that you've been in FCs before, and on the Telegram group, and we'll take you on. Doc, we have one more person, Preeti. She's a healer.
Yeah. Yes. Hi,
So,
Preeti.
Preeti
Preeti.
Shah.
Preeti
Hi,
Shah. Hi,
Doc.
Preeti.
Hi,
Hi.
Hi,
hi,
Preeti.
Ruchira.
Hi. Great to have you
So,
here.
what have you done, Preeti?
Doc, I practice Reiki for almost 25 years, and I have been participating with family constellations. And I'm a
Preeti ji, किसके
facilitator
साथ
with.
आपने? I'm so
Hello?
sorry, I interrupted you. आप किसके
Yeah.
साथ? With whom do you work?
I work with Atman,
Atman
Soul Meetup.
Parmar.
Yeah.
Okay. So, are you from Ahmedabad?
No, I am from Delhi. I am from Noida.
Noida. Okay, great. So I can take her as a participant. Great. I'm so happy, Preeti, for volunteering. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much
Yeah.
for the opportunity.
Yeah. Is there anybody else who is there, Ruchira, or should I get my
I'll
team?
just check. Mana. Mana has also participated in FCs. Fantastic. And there is the Deepa.
Mayur.
Mana, I've put in a request to unmute you.
Hi, I'm here.
Hi, Mana. Okay, and should we take on Deepa?
Yes, please. So we can work with these people only. Let the others
Yeah.
come later. Mana, I would like you to tell me about yourself.
So I'm in the healing space myself. I, in fact, conduct FCs and I have learned with Dr. Newton. So
Great.
right up there.
So yeah. So we can take her. We can take Preeti, one more person. So my people don't need to come also.
All right.
We continue till 8:45.
We can take on Dinaz, I think. There is Dinaz has put in as well that she also has participated in FCs.
Okay. So I'll just call my team also. I'm calling my team also. So Mayur, please join. Riddhi Singhania. Link, she has that? Thank you. Just take 2 people now. I'm calling my team also.
Okay, so Dinaz and Lily.
Where is Dinaz?
Let me just find. Dinaz, I don't see you on the Zoom list. Is your name something else on Zoom? Just let me know. And Lily? Okay, I can't see Lily on the Zoom list either.
Okay, let's
In
start.
case
So,
you have different names on Zoom, just let me know. Okay, somebody's. Just let us know what your name is on Zoom. Yeah. I can see Lily now. Lily, I've put in a request to unmute you.
Hello.
Hi, Lily.
Hi.
Okay. All right. I think, Doc, do we have everyone enough?
so I just would like to know what does Lily do before
Okay.
we start.
Hi, Dr. Gitanjali, you know me.
Okay.
I've been to many of your sessions. I
Right.
always follow you. And I had been for your past life session at Tanderi,
Right.
if you remember me.
100%. Lily, do you participate in constellation work?
I have participated once.
Only
And she stays at Tarapur Gardens.
I know. Divya.
Yeah, Divya Pandit. Yeah, and it was all of a sudden that one of my friend, she's she told me to join her, and I'm very intuitive. So are my daughters. So I don't have a special training or something like that. And presently I'm doing doing work from home, and I'm doing food industry.
Okay, that's nice, Lily. Okay, so we have about 3 people, and Ruchira, 2 people are more joining in. I don't know whether they have joined or not. So let me start with this. So one person will play the client, Aditi. One person will play the job for Aditi. One person, they have joined. Let me know once they have joined. Let me know. So they have to unmute. One will be Mayur will be joining, and one is Riddhi Singhani. Okay. So I want to start the constellation with 3-4 people only.
Yeah.
Okay, so Preeti, you role play Aditi. Okay, you're going to take the role of Aditi. Mana, she doesn't have a job. Aditi, can you please unmute yourself and tell me where are you exactly looking for a job?
No, I did not have this clarity. I was like actually seeking clarity first कि मैं क्या करना चाहती हूँ, but अंदर there's something within me जो भी जिद पे बैठा हुआ है कि अच्छा सब जॉब ही करवाना चाहते हैं तो मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ, like ये क्या बात होती है, मेरी सुन के राजी नहीं है, और I don't know मतलब ये inner child का issue लग रहा होगा या कैसा है, but थोड़ा सा बहुत ही conflicted सा issue है जो कि ज़्यादा logical sound नहीं
Do
कर
you
रहा.
want me to put up you, a job, a self-employment opportunity, your father and your mother? Does that work for you, Aditi?
Yes, whatever. I mean, I'll go according to
Not
what.
whatever.
Okay.
I was putting a job and you gave me a different answer. So we have decided to put up a self-employment opportunity.
Okay.
Does that work for you, Aditi?
Yes.
Yeah. So because it has to be a conscious yes from the client. Huh?
Okay.
I'm not the client here.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So Mayur has joined. Thank you so much, Mayur, for joining in. And
Are you unmuted? Dinas, I can't see you on Zoom at all. Do you have a different name? Otherwise I can't find you. And Mayur, I'm just unmuting you.
Thank you. Hi, good evening all.
Hi, good to see you.
Same here.
Riddhi Singhania has joined.
She's joining.
Okay, Aditi, can I know your mother's name and your father's name? We need to unmute all 5 of them who are role playing us.
Yeah, Riddhi's unmuted as well.
Okay.
And Mana, I think
Yes.
you're unmuted as well.
Yes,
Right.
I know.
So we have 5 people here. I can see them on my line here. One is Preeti Shah, one is Mana, one is Lily Merchant, one is Mayur Rosa, one is Riddhi Singhania.
Yeah.
Right? Preeti Shah, please unmute. Preeti Shah is not unmuted.
Now I'm unmuted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Aditi,
Yeah.
please tell to Preeti, you will role play me.
Preeti, you will role play me as Aditi. Aditi Ahuja.
Yes.
Okay. Mana, you will play the mother for Preeti. Can I know your mother's name?
Yes, Mrs. Dinesh Ahuja is my mother's name.
And what's your father's name?
Mr. Leeladhar Ahuja.
So just tell to Mayur, you are my father. You role play my father.
Mayur,
Miss-
you role play my father. Mana, you role play my mother. Mrs. Dinesh
Please,
Ahuja.
can you repeat the names also?
Yes, Mrs. Dinesh Ahuja's role, Mana, can you please play? And Mr. Leeladhar Ahuja's role, Mayur, can you please play? My father, he is.
Thank you.
Lily Merchant will play your self-employment opportunity. So tell her that.
Yes.
Lily, can you please play my self-employment opportunity?
Yes, sure.
And can you tell Riddhi Singhania, you please channelize my job opportunity.
Riddhi, can you please channelize my job opportunity?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, can we start, Preeti?
My heart is sinking, Doc, and it's like I am directionless. And I see a small child crying, small girl child in a white frock crying.
Hmm.
And I also feel like, I'm beaten often by my mother, which, as a small child, I can't understand what the reason also.
Okay.
It's absolutely correct. I feel directionless. I just before this saw a small child and I felt the small child was crying. And white is a color I resonate a lot with. And this is reality. I have been beaten a lot by my mother in my childhood.
Great. Okay. So now this is what, now Preeti, look at your father, which is being role played by element 4, element 2, Mayur Rosa. Look at him and see what energetically you feel for your father.
My father is kind of a weak person. He is not able to stand up only for himself. And, I am angry with him because as a child, I don't understand that he's weak, that he can't stand up for himself. But I feel why is he not? I can feel his love, but he is not able to stand up for me or save me from my mother. It seems like, my mother wears the pants in the family.
So when your father is a weak person, when your mother wears the pants, what do you feel about? What do you feel? I feel because my father is weak, I feel powerless.
Powerless.
She said, I feel powerless because my father is weak compared to my mother. Now, Preeti, focus on your mother. played by Riddhi Singhania, LNT. Your mother. Oh, Mana. So sorry, Mana. She's a job opportunity. Yeah.
You know, it feels like a contract of revenge.
Okay.
It's like, you know, I want to please her. I want, you know, किसी भी तरीके से खुश हो जाए बस. You know, whether it is my achievement, but she's never happy.
So you want to please your mother, but she's never
Yeah,
happy.
yeah, she's never happy.
So if she's not happy, then what do you do in order to please her?
I strive more, you know, get more marks, be good at cooking, be good at this, be good at that. Just to listen that applause from her or the appreciation, but I never get it.
And when you don't get it, then
You know, I try to cover it up with the deep down, I'm very hurt. And I have this feeling I'm not good enough. And my throat is choking now when I'm saying that.
you can repeat to yourself, I'm not good enough, I'm not good enough. Keep on repeating. So feel
I'm
it.
not-
Aditi, does that resonate with you?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay, great.
Now
Yeah.
my whole chest, as I'm repeating this, my whole chest region is heavy, my neck is heavy. You know, there's a strange heaviness in my head. And as if, you know, what do I do? I'm kind of lost my purpose in the sense ki kya fayda? I'm not good enough. I can't do anything. And I am, by and by, as I'm looking at my father, I'm getting angrier, you know.
I'm getting angry.
Yeah, at
Okay.
my
Now
father.
this is Aditi, your frustration and your anger coming up. So what is it about the situation? What is you are angry? So can you look at your father and say, I am angry at you?
I say to him,
Yeah, because you are angry.
yeah, I'm angry. I'm extremely angry. Why can't you stand up? Why can't you do something about this whole situation, you know?
So
It
so
just-
you know, so let's not go into the judgment. Why can't you? Why can't you is judgment. So there's an inner child which is judging. Now, Aditi, as in your matrix, would your mother judge your father a lot, or would your grandparents judge your father a lot? Who judges your father? Let me know, then we come back to you. Yeah.
Actually, as far as I can recall, it's my father who is judgmental towards others.
Okay.
I've not seen my mother judging him, or I never had paternal grandparents.
So, Preeti, look at the father and say, I'm so angry at you
I'm so angry at you.
that I'm becoming like you.
I'm becoming
Like you.
like you.
I'm emnishing in you.
I'm emnishing in you.
I take a step back.
I take a step back.
I stop judging you.
I stop judging you.
I'm just a child.
I'm just a child.
How are you feeling, Preeti? How's the anger?
So something from my throat is now going down.
Yeah. Okay. Let's talk to the father. Okay. Now let's go to the Lily merchant and she's going to play the business opportunity. What do you feel when you look at the business opportunity? Preeti Shah, when you look at the business opportunity, how do you feel?
Nothing is coming up. I'm still into
I
that.
feel attracted. I fear it. What is the feeling? Let's go to the feeling part of it.
I'm feeling it like a stranger, and I'm still into that, wallowing into feeling I'm not good enough.
Okay. So I'm not good enough comes in, right? So one thing is there, I'm powerless, I'm not good enough, are the two beliefs which are working out very strongly here. Okay, Preeti, now when you look at the job opportunity, what do you feel at this point of time?
I feel repulsed.
Okay. So you feel you don't want to do the job, but yet you don't know what to do in the business. Thank you so much, Preeti. You've been a wonderful participant till now. Now let's go to the father. As the father element, as an I message, what do you feel towards your child? Let's first just work on the child and the mother. The remaining two are her story, business or job.
So first of all, I feel I'm very much self-obsessed personality.
Mhm. Come
I
again.
feel I'm very much self-obsessed personality.
I'm a self-obsessed personality.
Yeah. Secondly, I'm just look child, but I'm not 100% focused. Secondly, I'm looking at the wife, but I'm feeling like wife is very dominating, and I'm not liking it, her. And I feel it's a forceful marriage is forceful for me. I don't wanted to do marriage with her, but it's very being it's very
I'm
forceful for me.
forced into this marriage.
Yeah, completely.
So when
So
you're
I'm
forced
feeling
into this marriage, what are you feeling because of it?
because of it. I'm feeling very and I'm kind of disconnected.
Disconnect.
Connected
Aditi,
myself.
here is your disconnect. Your father is disconnected. So I will come to you and ask you what work your father does. And when did your grandfather die?
So my father is retired from bank. Whole of his life he was working in bank,
Hmm.
and my paternal grandfather died. Like it's been, I think it was year 1997. I was like a small kid in school. How old was I? 8 to 10 years around that point. And he had a very weak mother also. I don't know like how the systems were and the partition people coming in, everything.
You were from the partition, you were from Pakistan.
Yeah, these people are. I mean, the ancestors, the grandparents.
Oh God, you are from Pakistan. Okay. No, when I say oh God, it doesn't mean oh God. It means that there is a lot of trauma there, Aditi. Please understand.
Okay.
You have been uprooted from there and you have been brought to India. So there's a lot of insecurities with your ancestors. So your constellation will go much beyond them and which go to your paternal grandmother and your paternal grandfather. Got it?
Okay, got it.
Okay. So
The
paternal
route
grand,
will go till there to find out the cause.
yeah. Okay. Yes, Mana.
I'm extremely cold, like my teeth are literally chattering, and I'm breathing very slow, very paced out. And when they're talking and blaming me, I'm like, shuru ho gaye. That's what they're going to do. They're just going to blame me. Like I've just become like this very convenient punching bag that everything is my fault. So I'm not surprised with what they're saying, but they don't owe up to their responsibility. They're going to punch me. That's the only feeling I have.
Okay, good. So how do you feel towards, what's your relation towards your husband? Do you feel good? Do you feel
I'm very
forceful?
neutral to him. Doesn't evoke any sentiment. But the daughter, like, even if I want to, I can't look at her. Like, she's just focusing out of my zone. Like, I just can't even look at her.
You can't look at your daughter. So where
No,
is your, where are you looking, Mana?
at you. I'm just looking at you, and I'm hoping that you do something here. But nobody else is interesting to me.
So
Here.
forget me and nobody's interesting, you said. Okay, so
No,
forget
not at
me
all.
and see beyond. Do you see any ancestor that you are following or you're seeing or any child you lost?
A child, I see.
Yeah. Aditi, your mother lost a child?
Yes, before I was born, a girl child was born, died, and even after, I think my younger sister, I think they decided to probably not have a child. That I'm not sure, but before me,
So
for
this
sure.
is your child before. So we'll have to make somebody. Thank you, Mana. I think so. You're looking there. We need
Yeah.
to find this child. Lily Merchant, as the business opportunity, what are you feeling?
I'm feeling that every time I am there or I'm present, this person doesn't look at me. Her focus is not there, and she just makes excuses and avoids me.
So look at her and say,
I'm there.
I'm there.
I'm there
What
for
about-
you always. I'm always there. I'm always present.
Riddhi, what
So-
about you as the job opportunity?
So I feel very stuck, as if I'm uprooted to the ground, and if I'm trying to take a step, I'm unable to do that. So I feel extremely stagnant and stuck here.
This uprooted feeling could belong to your ancestors, Aditi, who were uprooted from Pakistan. Okay, so we need to work there. But before that, let me first get your mother sorted out. So, Riddhi, I will not ask anybody else to come into the matrix. Riddhi, you're going to de-roll and become the child who died. So, Mana, you're going to look at the child who died.
Okay.
So, at what age she died, Aditi?
That I'm not sure. I mean, that was almost a year before I was born.
No. So, how old
Child.
was she? How old was she? 1 month, 2 months, 1 day, 10 days?
This baby girl before me. So it was not. It was pretty much into later stages, but I'm not sure about the
मतलब
exact.
आपकी मदर ने बर्थ दिया था कि मिसकैरेज हो गया था 9 मंथ से पहले?
मदर ने बर्थ दिया था एंड डाइड बेबी बॉर्न हुआ था.
Okay.
And I know that
Stillborn
मेरी
child
mother
was
का
born. So the stillborn child was born.
yeah, stillborn girl child was born.
So Riddhi, just lie down, and yeah, she's lying down. Mana, can you see this gaze now?
Yeah, I feel like I want to go with her. I feel like a part of me is there. Like I want to cry, but I can't cry. I can't breathe because of this. Like my oxygen is there.
Good. Preeti, anything happens to you when Riddhi shifts the energy to the child?
My
Anything
anger at
happens to the
my anger at the mother is boiling up. कि जो चला गया, look at me, I'm here.
Yeah, because she's not focused. See, understand. So Aditi, your anger is not because of anything else. She's not focused on you because she's focused on the child who went ahead, and you. That is why you are enmeshed with this child, and that's the enmeshment we'll work on. Got it?
Meshed with that child only because my mother is focused there, and to have her focus, I'm like enmeshed with that child.
Yeah, right.
Oh, okay.
Doc, something building up here as if, when I was in the womb, I'm having that feeling of rejection for being a girl. As if, she's expecting me to be a boy and, take care of everything when I grow up. I don't know whether
I feel this.
that is
I
true,
feel
but
this.
I don't know. Mana, do you feel that you wanted a daughter, a baby boy, or this is just what a thought is?
I'm just feeling a lot of guilt right now towards that child lying down. I feel like I'm responsible for her to go.
Okay, we'll just finish it off. So, Mana, can you like Mayur? Are you connected with the child? Do you feel anything in the child? Your wife is enmeshed there. So, do you feel a disconnect
Yeah,
with the wife?
I will completely disconnect with the child. Just I feel like I can see the wife, but I'm not 100% there. I'm just getting 30-40% with the wife, not more than that.
Okay, so because she's not available, you will be starting to look out of the matrix. Fine. So there are 2-3 things. Mana, you need to lie down because you need to release the child. Mayur, you need to lie down and release the child. And Preeti, you also need to lie down and release the child because it's a dead child which is enmeshed. And then we will say the statement. So Aditi, I can just work on this child for right now. I can't go to this thing. We'll have to stop it because it's a demo. So maybe you can join the workshop. Then we work on you, or you can take sessions.
So do I lie down?
Preeti, you need to lie down. So Aditi, after this, your mood swings, your temper, your anger issues, which was there, it is only because your mother is not seeing you, not because of anything else.
But my point is, like, this will get resolved, right? That she'll start seeing me, because I've tried this thing in FC before. It was
Did the
not-
child come up?
the child
Did
came up,
it-
and a
So
lot
how
of
much?
in me came up for that from her.
So how much did you resolve after that FC? How much did you resolve?
I mean, but I'm still stuck. Like, it's next year June, and I'm still
Aditi, I always tell people nothing will happen in one session. You are not 1 year old.
okay.
So 1 year of your life for one session. How old are you, Aditi?
33.
So minimum 5 to 7 sessions are required for one issue. I always tell this to people. If people come to me and they say, we only can do one, I said, please don't even waste that kind of money with me.
Okay.
It will not show a shift. You need to do sessions regularly. If today I want to heal, I do sessions for myself, not one. Otherwise, I will become as a miracle worker.
Okay. But it will definitely get resolved. Like, if you're saying
It
that
will get resolved if provided you need to do more sessions. Okay, I'm being very open and my message is very clear.
yeah.
It is
But-
something which is, it's not something which is very difficult, but it requires efforts.
Okay.
And it's not as if we don't want to do it at that point of time, but it takes time. There has to be a shift. Then you see a shift. Then you see a shift, right? Just now, one girl from she's not having a job in UK from 2 years. We did about 3 inner children sessions and 2 to 3 constellation, and she's got a job.
Okay.
So, but she did about 6 sessions.
Okay. I mean, the reason I'm asking is because I've done inner child healing, I've learned pranic healing, I'm trying and trying, but nothing happening.
Aditi, you need to give yourself to someone completely. I cannot go to one shop and say, let me buy a pant from here. After 5 months, go to some other shop, let me buy a top for you. There are 2 different doctors. You need to give yourself to one doctor.
Okay. Got it.
Okay? And पहले ही मैंने बोला, आप डॉक्टर खुद नहीं हो. I cannot operate on myself, so I give my issue to somebody else. So don't try to do your own pranic and don't do this. Take one doctor and stick to that doctor. Do you change your doctor, Aditi? No or yes?
No. I mean, I was with the same person for the FCs. उससे पहले उनकी जो teacher थी वो चली गई तो like when Chitra ma'am left and then I was doing with
Chitra Ravi?
Ujjwal, he was a
How many
Chitra,
FCs have you done? Ja. How many
So I've
FCs have you
done-
done?
I've done one with Chitra ji and 2 with Ujjwal.
Baby, but I'm just telling you, you need to be with one person at least for 5 to 7 sessions. Okay?
Okay, I got it, but और हो नहीं रही थी, like Chitra ji doesn't take it frequently.
So you have us, na? Now you have us.
Yeah.
Doc, I
Thanks,
feel like
thanks.
saying something.
Yes, Preeti.
I'm lying here. I'm feeling like, since I'm not my mother's priority, I'm nobody's priority. Nobody gives me a priority.
No, yeah. So
So
once
I-
she releases the enmeshment, you will become the priority. Don't worry.
So I'm feeling
But it is good that you're feel it so that you release it, so that Aditi releases from her subconscious mind tonight when she's sleeping. So that healing will happen with her.
Doc, how would you close the family constellation?
I will just close it right now. Mana, can you just, because Mana is the only one person not there on my screen. So if Mana has finished grieving for the child, we can start.
I did, and I've stopped feeling cold now. I was shivering. I'm not cold any longer.
Do you feel cold, Aditi?
I don't feel cold.
Your mother?
Yeah. Every time she's coming very cold. She's very frozen and numb.
Thank you. Okay, so Mana, look at the child played by Riddhi Singhania and say, you died. Priti, please get up. You died.
You died,
And I could not grieve for you.
and I couldn't grieve for you.
I became frozen.
I've become frozen,
And I could not look at my other child.
and I couldn't look at my other child.
But now I accept your fate and destiny.
But now I accept your fate and destiny.
You left early.
You left early.
And now
And now
I am now free to nurture my other children.
I can't say that.
Okay. So you will always have a place in my heart.
You will always have a place in my heart.
I have other children too.
I can't say it.
So what stops you from saying it?
Tremendous guilt.
So what is the reason you feel the guilt?
I killed her.
Okay. So Riddhi, as a child, can you say, I left early? You're doing extremely good, Mana. Riddhi Singhania, please unmute. Yeah. I left early.
I left early.
It was my time to go.
It was my time to go.
You did not kill me.
You did not kill me.
I love you.
I really love you.
I sacrificed my life.
I sacrificed my life.
How are you feeling, Mana?
The sweetness of her voice, it's like I want to only hear that voice forever. And I want to say something. Can I say something? Like
Yeah.
it's just coming for her that मुझे माफ कर दो.
नहीं. It's, see, understand, parents कभी भी बच्चों से माफी नहीं मांगते, Mana.
It's just
First,
coming.
yeah. It's wrong.
Okay.
So parents are always big, they're not small. So leave that. Okay. Maybe if you can't process your guilt right now, please put it in a ball of light and keep it, because we need to wind it up right now.
Yeah.
Mayur, can you look at the child and say, I love you. I respect your destiny. I accept your destiny. Unmute, Mayur. Yeah.
Now it's better.
You left early.
You left early.
It was your decision to go.
It was your decision to go.
I respect that decision.
I respect that decision.
You will always be there in my heart
You will always be in my heart,
and in the family matrix.
in the family matrix.
You are my first you're my first child who died early.
You are my first child who died early.
And look at Pritisha and say, you are my second born child.
You are my second born child.
I see you.
I see you.
Mana, say that. I see you. You're my second born child.
You're my second born child. I see you.
Priti, what is the shift in you? Riddhi Singhania, please become the job. Lily Merchant, you are the business opportunity. Pritisha, what happens to you?
My anger is softening towards both of them, and I feel like crying.
So now, Preeti, in your own home, you are going to now imagine as a child, whichever age do you think you are at, 2, 3, 5, 10, I don't know. Keep 2 pillows and start walking towards your parents and embrace your parents. You'll finish this exercise in a minute and come back. So did you notice she said something known as passive suicide? She was committing suicide. She was following the destiny of the dead child. Do you understand? So she will stop her suicidal attempts. See, understand, Ruchida, this is not a person who's having a pure psychosis and all that, okay? So pure psychosis will not go in this thing, but for that medicines are also required. But some kind of suicidal tendencies, people can definitely be healed. So she's again doing a passive suicide on her career front. See, her problems are with the mother, not her father. Because career was never an issue with her. She's sabotaging that.
And will you believe?
How are you? Aditi, please wait. Preeti, how are you feeling?
Feeling lighter here.
Now, can you see the job or can you see the business opportunity?
I still don't like the job, but somehow I'm able to look at Lily now.
Yeah. Okay. Good. You can look at Lily. See. So say, I see you.
I see you.
And I'm ready to welcome you in my life.
And I'm ready to welcome you in my life.
So Aditi, what were you saying?
I was saying that when you said, like, I was just not even thinking and saying, but since yesterday, the thoughts of suicide, and it's not only job. Like since days, I don't eat. I just stop eating when the things come and like.
Aditi, you are into depression and you need help. Huh? Okay. So help yourself first. Yeah. So Aditi, can you just say, I take, all of you put your hands towards Aditi like this and say, I take the healing energies of this matrix. Aditi, put your hands like this. Here, like this, receiving. You are receiving. Yeah, they are giving, you are receiving. I take the healing energy of this matrix and this is my new reality.
I take the healing energy of this matrix and this is my new reality.
I want a testimonial from Aditi in case she starts feeling better after a week or so.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. All of you did all. Thank you so much, Ruchira. Still more has to be done because we didn't sort out the job. But
it is always such an incredibly emotional experience to even witness family constellation. There are moments where I felt like crying. There are moments I could feel like, overwhelmed. It's incredible. And I could see that there were, I think Aditi will process this over the next few hours. But I know because she's in the thick of it, so it's not always easy to see what's coming up and what awareness is coming up. But there were so many things where she also came across and said, that's exactly right. That's exactly how. And
right from the start, she was saying it.
Yeah, right from the beginning. And to see that, 5 or 6 strangers connect in that way is such a remarkable process to witness, such a remarkable process, and how incredible it would be to facilitate something like this.
The thing is that all of them were wonderful. Preeti was a wonderful participant. Mana was beautiful. Lily was good. I really loved the participants today.
So I just wanted, I wanted to thank everyone. Thank you, Preeti. Thank you, Lily, Mana. Mayur, Riddhi, thank you so much for coming together. And Aditi, thank you for volunteering yourself for this.
It takes a lot of courage, Aditi, but I hope you benefit.
Thanks. I'm going to, in fact, Lily's written saying, I was getting vibrations in my head and body. Thank you so much. Preeti says, wow, that was a wonderful process. Doc, this is incredible. And I'm amazed and always in such awe how you can orchestrate it all so quickly. 6 people, 6 strangers who don't know Aditi, who have not known her history, etc., so deeply, could immerse themselves so quickly and reveal so much.
Yeah, that's why it is so profound. Even those people who are here definitely will heal somewhere or the other. Every time you participate, every time you look, I always say you heal some part of you. And those who are participating, they actually heal a part of themselves as they
are. Yeah, that's very true. Even if it's not your problem being addressed, you get certain insights into your own problem through the process. In fact, I wanted to ask Mana, I wanted to ask Lily, Preeti to share in the Telegram group if there was the insights or awareness about into their own lives that they got through this process. Please do share, because those are wonderful as well to learn about.
Preeti needs to share and Mana needs to share.
Lily's mentioned, Doc, that why she's asking why are these vibrations happening. She's feeling vibrations in her head and her body.
So just Preeti, that's good. You're still feeling the vibration of the constellation happening. Just stand and turn anti-clockwise three times and say, I'm back to Lily Merchant. You'll stop feeling the vibrations.
Okay, great. Lily, I hope that helps. And let us know if you feel better after that. Deepa says, thanks a ton.